Hello children, I Rehana Kasli representing Bright Star International School, Villimora would like to explain you the topic long and short of math subject in maths textbook page number 18. Now I am continue next exercise. So children look at here. Here is given Indian record and world record for some jumps. There are three columns in here. First column we can see here sports, high jump and long jump for men and women. Second column has given world record player's name and third column is given Indian record player's name. Okay, now first our question is how many centimeters more should Chandrapal jump to equal the men's world record for high jump? मेंस वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड जो किया है उतना उसके साथ इक्वल होने के लिए चंद्रपाल को कितनी जंप करनी पड़ेगी. सो नाउ वी कैन सी हियर वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड इज 2 हाई जंप मेन वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड इज 2 meter and 45 centimeters. So we have to write in here world record for high jump is equal to 2 meter and 45 centimeters. Now, Chandrapal's record for high jump is 2 meter and 17 centimeters. So we have to write in here Chandrapal record for high jump is 2 meter and 17 centimeters. So what is the difference between? So Chandrapal required jump to equal the men's world record for high jump is equal to, we have to see difference 2 meter 45 centimeter minus 2 meter 17 centimeters. Here we have to write meter and centimeters. 2 meters 45 centimeters minus 2 meter 17 centimeters. 5 minus 7 is not possible, so we have to borrow to here, so we have to cut and here write 15 and here we'll write is 3. Okay, 15 minus 7, so 7 after we have to count 15, so answer will come, see here 7 after 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 is here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so answer will come 8. Okay, so write in here 8 and 3 minus 1 means 2. 2 minus 2 is 0, so 28 centimeters. So Chandrapal required 28 centimeters jump to equal the main world record for high jumps. Now our question number 2, how many centimeters higher should Bobby A jump to reach 2 meter? How many centimeter higher should Bobby A jump to reach 2 meters? So Bobby A record for high jump. Bobby A record for high jump 1 meter and 91 centimeters. So here write 1 meter and 91 centimeters. Okay, now Bobby require centimeter to reach 2 meter. Bobby को 2 meter करने के लिए कितना high jump करना पड़ेगा? So that is the difference 2 meter minus 1 meter 91 centimeters. 2 meter में से हम 1 meter 91 को माइनस करेंगे, सो सबट्रैक्ट फ्रॉम 1 meter 91 फ्रॉम 2 meters, so 2 meter minus 1 meter 91 centimeters. So we have to write in here 2 centimeter not have 0 and minus 1 and here we have to write 91 centimeters. 0 minus 1 is not possible, so we have to cut and write here, we have to take to here 10, but here also 0, so they take to here, so here we'll cut and write 1 and here write is 10, so he borrowed 10 to here, so here we have to write 9. Okay, 10 minus 1 means 9, 9 minus 9 is 0 and 1 minus 1 is 0, so answer will come 9 centimeters. Okay, now so Bobby is require 9 centimeter to reach 2 centimeters. Now third our question is Galina's long jump is nearly 7 meters, 7.5 meters or 8 meters. So we can see here three option is given. We can see here Galina's jump is 7 meter and 52 centimeters. So 7 meter is not 7.5 meter. Half means 50 meters. So 52 is nearby 50. 7.5 meter is correct. So tick mark in here and we have to write in here nearly 7.5 meter. 7.5 meter. Okay. Now our question number 4. Look at the women's world record. What is the difference between the longest jump and the highest jump? Okay, difference we can see here. Women's world record. Here is given women's. Okay, first we have to write high jump. High jump that is given 2 meter and 9 centimeters. So we have to write here 2 meter and 9 centimeters. Now second is long jump. Long jump is 7 meter and 52 centimeters. So we have to write here 7 meter and 52 centimeters. What our question is difference between longest jump and the highest jump. Longest jump and the highest jump. Longest jump how much? 7 meter and 52. So we have to write here 7 meter and 52 centimeters minus 2 meter and 9 centimeters. Okay, so now we have to write first 7 meter 52 centimeters. Now next 2 meter, here is no 0 and 9 centimeters. Okay, so minus 7 meter 52 minus 2 meter and 9 centimeters. 2 minus 9 is not possible to be borrowed to here 10, so here will come 12 and here will come 1 reduced, so 4. Now 12 minus 9, so 9 after we have to count 12, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. So we have to write in here number 3. 4 minus 0 is 4. 7 minus 2, 2 after we have to count 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to write in here 5. So answer will come 5 meter and 43 centimeter. 5 meter and 43 centimeters. Now our question number 5. If Mike P could jump dash centimeter longer, his jump will be full 9 meters. Now we have to see here Mike P's long jump record is 8 meter and 95 centimeters. So we have to write here 8 meter and 95 centimeters. So they want to reach 9 meters. So we have to see difference to reach 9 meters. So 9 meter minus 8 meter and 95 centimeters. So now we have to write 9 meter 0 centimeters, 8 meter minus 8 meter and 95 centimeters. 0 minus 5 is not possible, so we have to borrow to here 10, but here is 0, so they take to here. So here will come 8 and here will come 10. Okay, so they tens take 1, they tens they take here, so here will cut and write 9. Okay, 10 minus 5 means 5, 9 minus 9 means 0 and 8 minus 8 is 0. So answer will come 5 centimeters. They want to reach 9 meters, so they require 5 centimeters. Now our question number 6. Whose high jump is very close to 2.5 meters? Here 4 name is given. First we have to see this 2.5 meters means 2.50. Okay, who is very near, very close? First is Stefka's 2 meter and 9 centimeters. Okay, so we have to write here 2 meter and 9 centimeters. Second Chandrapal is 2 meter and 17. So 2 meter and 17 centimeters. Third is Jhaveri. Jhaveri is 2 meter and 45. 2 meter and 45. And last Bobby S is 1 meter and 91. So write in here 1 meter and 91. Which one is nearest to 50? 2.5. 2.5 means 2 meter and 50 centimeters. Who is nearby? So third one is nearby. Jhaveri is nearby, no? So here tick mark on Jhaveri S. So children, this activity you have to write in your notebook. I will send in PDF. Thank you. Thank you, children.